There's no need to rush. This is what Davao del Norte 1st District Representative Pantaleon Alvarez said about their proposed separation of Mindanao from the Philippines. According to him, it is necessary to have a good discussion about the issue and both parties should agree on the same goal.
Wala kaming masasabing timeline dahil nga ayaw nating i-shortcut ito eh. Gusto ko magkakaroon ng konsultasyon sa mga tao.
He said it is also necessary to know the opinion of the public on this matter.
Nalalaman natin yan sa mga tao dito sa Mindanao. Kasi hindi naman ako lang yung magdidesisyon. Kung iuurong yung kilusan o hindi.
In relation to this, Alvarez still believes that they have many supporters who are pushing Mindanao to separate from the Philippines. Especially they see no hope for Mindanao to remain in the country since it is always on the list priority.
To be honest, yung grupo namin nung araw, yung One People Mindanao, hanggang ngayon ay buhay pa naman yun. At ganun pa rin yung nasa damdamin nila.
He also said that there are politicians in Mindanao who are expressing support about this.
Marami rin akong kaibigan sa iba't ibang areas ng Mindanao, iba't ibang provinces. Nakakatanggap ako ng communications from them na, brother, isama mo kami dyan.
Jed Narasina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.